ये कर लो पहले।
Hello friends, this is Mohammed
हाँ
Tawhid
ये कर
Sabade.
लो पहले।
And in the last video we have created our login component over here. And we'll go to our login component. Or let's see here. So this is our login component, and on giving the particular details, this abc@gmail.com.
अरे एक्साइटमेंट मतलब क्या?
After submitting,
कहाँ
we
बैठा
get a
हूँ?
particular
किससे बात
alert
कर रहा हूँ?
message
क्या
which
बात कर रहा हूँ?
is
समझ में
login
नहीं।
successful. Okay.
कंट्रोल
On doing OK, we go to from login to
अरे
register.
एक्साइट
But we have also created a particular new component, that is welcome component, in the last video. Okay. So I will be adding something in our welcome.component.html file. This is our file. Okay. So we will be looking about this only. So from login, we are not going to register directly. We'll first go to our welcome, what we say, component. So from here, in my login component, in my login.component.ts file, I will redirect it. This route will redirect us to our welcome component. I am doing this. We also have to look like using this. We are at a particular routing module in our app-routing.module.ts file. That is this part. This will be our path. That is, my path is welcome, and component name is welcome component with path match. So after doing this, from login, we will directly go to our welcome home. I will give it here like abc@gmail.com. That is our email ID, and anything for password. Redirect us to our welcome or dashboard page. This is just an example. So I have added a particular welcome to dashboard, a particular heading with some particular cards with okay. This is for Spring framework. Then we have Spring Boot framework. We'll also adding Django, that is a Python framework. Component.html.